Thanks for watching the Dr. Gilmore page. Check out the link below for Meta 7.
Little stick. All right. Good. Bless your arm.
Ouch.
Stings a little bit, doesn't it?
Yeah, just a little bit, just tiny bit.
So what we're trying to do is we're
hand,
trying to numb the digit nerves. There are two nerves that run to the finger.
Woo.
They come through there. So
Is it over?
yeah, that was the hard part of you tomorrow because
All the way down?
this is more than just a serious paronychia here. You actually have a cellulitis, Mom. Can you see that? She has the infection has traveled up the finger here, so that's why it's going to make a little incision right here.
Did you already do it?
Well, we're doing it.
Don't look yet.
It's
I'm
not-
not.
Oh,
Ooh.
wow.
Oh my god.
Did you know you had that much pus under there?
No.
You have it on both. Oh, you have it on both sides.
Oh
too.
my god.
I can't see the other side, but I can see.
That's okay. We're oozing out all kinds of pus out of here.
Wait, I didn't take a picture.
I guess you are the patient.
People gotta see this.
You should be able to take a photo.
Ew.
Send it to Daddy.
There you go.
Where's the cat?
All right, I'm gonna lift up here a little bit.
The cat's here.
Gonzo, culturette, please.
Whoa.
You didn't say
Is-
portrait.
Do
I
you
just
think
did.
it's staff?
Now.
But that's gonna be
That's
okay.
going to relieve the pressure right there.
She's gonna feel a lot better. Now the anesthesia that we put in here will last a few hours for you, and this will start to hurt again. Gonzo, we're just gonna put a dry dressing over this. Do not put any ointment on this, okay?
Okay.
And the reason is ointment can plug up the opening that I just made.
You're not showing.
We're here with our friend JJ. This is the right side. We just got finished opening up several lesions on the left side. Some had a little more pus than others. Apparently we have a history of hidradenitis suppurativa that hadn't been diagnosed yet, even though you've seen how many doctors, JJ?
Different doctors, probably 11, 12.
11, 12. And you've seen a infectious disease doctor?
About 3 of those.
Okay, we're going to go ahead and give you a little cold spray, make an injection here. Are you ready?
Yeah.
So you had some plastics work already.
Yes.
Go, Gonzo. All right, ready? Let's
Guns
stick.
to go, guns to go. Stick, stinking bird. Sorry.
Use the tiny, tiny needle first for you here. This one's more fluctuant. This one feels like it might have fluid in it a lot more than on the left side.
Yeah.
So I think that somebody was probably on the right track. I think somebody probably recognized you had the hidradenitis. The only thing is years ago we didn't have any medicine to really help with this. What we do now, a little bit more medicine now, and we're going to make sure that we can give you the medicine. Okay?
Okay.
So I'm just injecting more here. It's going right in. All right, we've got you enough numbing medicine on board. I think we're ready to make an incision. Are you ready, my friend?
I'm ready.
Let's see what we get this time, guys. Yeah, just like the other side. Got some pus, but
Do you we're gonna do a
oh yeah, we got a lot of pus there.
Do you want to do a culture on this side
Yeah,
too?
let's get a culture over here as well.
I'm sorry, but we didn't open this for you.
That's okay. How you feel, Mr. JJ?
I'm all right.
Yeah, you're right. We did get a bunch of pus out on this.
How do you do it?
Go ahead. The first incision didn't really show a whole lot, but the second one we got a bunch of goop out.
Do you see a line under there, like a yellow faint line under there?
The
Yeah, I do. This one down here.
Yeah, like a straight line. Yeah.
Yeah, you got some small amount of pus coming out of there. I'm squeezing on you. We're getting pus out right
Go
now.
ahead. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
I like him.
He's a nice guy, isn't he?
Yeah.
You were kind of scared when you came in. You were pretty nervous about all this.
Yeah, I was. I am still.
I could tell you've been down this road before.
There's one coming out of that little one right there.
Yeah, I know. That's all there is right there. We're going to open this up a little bit further, okay?
All right.
Can you see, Gons?
You're covering it with your hand.
We're going to spray some cold spray on you here, and then we're going to give you some anesthesia, okay? You ready? Got Gonzo doing the spraying. We've got little Michelob on the camera today.
What's her name gonna be tomorrow?
I don't know, I'll think of something. So this is 1% lidocaine with some epinephrine. Epinephrine gives us a little vasomotor control, vasoconstriction. It helps stop the bleeding. Stick, sting, and a burn. Nobody said it, so.
I didn't even think about it.
Yeah. Poor Mr. Johnson here, which may or may not be his real name, right?
Right.
We're not even gonna say.
Like he has bone tattoos over here.
Don't say that.
Well, I didn't say what was the shape. I just
Yeah, I
said
know,
it was
but
bones.
you know that he could be identified in the lineup now.
Nah, not yet.
Is it hurting?
Mm-mm.
No. Okay.
He's a tough guy.
All right. Okay. So here we are. We're gonna make a little incision across there. See what comes out. Ready?
Do you feel that?
Mm-mm.
Good.
Ooh.
Get some drainage already, don't we? Okay. Well, we're opening this up a little bit, but we're getting a rivulet of pus.
That's so crazy.
Yeah. Let's see if we can open this up a little bit more. If it hurts, you say something, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Ugh. Oh man, that's bad. You are not going to believe this when you see this video.
Yeah, I gotta check that out.
You alright?
Mm-hmm.
Now we're getting into the cottage cheese. Man, that is a bad odor you got going on there.
Yeah, I actually smell it this time.
Right, I told you, I was like, I don't know how y'all handle that stuff. So.
I'm guessing you can smell it through.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I usually don't smell it.
No?
No, this is the first time I smell it.
Alright, so I'm just using the scissors technique now, and I'm just trying to dissect the sac out. Whew, man. Probably not going to be able to eat any lunch today.
I'm gonna say, y'all gotta close off this room for a few hours.
Oh my goodness, that is strong. Unfortunately, we're going to have to charge you a special fumigation. Well, your friend's going to leave you. When I say friend, I mean your cyst here.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
looks like
okay.
it's wanting to come out. Just a little careful dissection here.
What causes it? Is it like an ingrown hair or something?
Very similar. What happens is mucin or sebum, excuse me, oil that builds up in the glands, normal sweat oil, okay, that comes out of the pores or out of your sweat pores, will sometimes get plugged, and if that happens, yeah, see all that's all right there is all just. That's all cyst material. That's the cyst wall right there coming out. If that happens, then it can build up a whole lot of oil. Yeah, there we go. And it builds a cyst like that. And usually they're not problematic, but sometimes if it gets infected like yours did today, or yours did here recently, then you'll end up with a mess.
Hey folks, you spoke and we listened. Here's what you had to say about Meta 7.
I love it so much. It gives me so much energy during the day.
I've noticed a change in my hair, my nails, my blood pressure.
There's no doubt that it's a benefit to me. It gives me more stamina.
And it could actually help you lose weight.
Now, I haven't taken a nap in 6 months.
That's right, Meta 7. More and more people are sending in their testimonials. Weight loss, more energy, and generally feeling more alert during the day. Let's hear more.
I used it to help wean myself off caffeine and energy drinks, and my productivity has been very high lately.
It's natural, it's amazing. I feel motivated to get out and do things that I didn't before.
I'm not tired during the day. I've worked 12-hour shifts.
Just go all day. It makes me feel great. I love it. And take it. It's wonderful stuff.
If you haven't tried Meta 7 yet, it's time to order yours from Amazon. Time to boost your metabolism and kick your energy level into high gear. There's an Amazon link in the description.
All right, folks, this is Emily, and Emily's been using Cocoa Skin Plus. Emily, you want to give your personal testimonial?
I started taking Cocoa Skin Plus about 6 months ago, and since then I've noticed a huge difference in my skin. It's softer, my hair is softer, and it's grown so long.
Awesome.
I highly recommend it. I've definitely noticed a difference. It's definitely helped my hair feel better, my skin feel better, and you can pick it up on Amazon.
All right, check out Cocoa Skin Plus on m7amazon.com. Available, and it was designed by Dr. John Gilmore. Thanks.